Here's a certified 2017 Cadillac CT6 sedan. This CT6 possesses the authoritative power and meticulous craftsmanship to elevate your drive to revolutionary heights. It's equipped for all your driving needs and wants. Integrated navigation system with voice activation, front heated leather bucket seats, doors and push-button start proximity key, hands-free liftgate, intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, gas pressurized shocks, streaming audio, dual zone climate control, rear wheel drive, automated parking sensors, and power heated mirrors. AutoWeek comments, the CT6 responds with a noticeable lack of body roll and reflexes that remind us of its smaller sibling, the ATS Coupe. Cadillac embodies a passion for performance, craftsmanship, and innovation. Someone is going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. It should be you. Test drive it today.
Call us today at 813-565-0102.
For value and for service.